Good morning, PBMA family. I am here to teach you how to get your student onto Google Classroom. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you use the passwords. Every student should have had one of these come home. If not, we will try to get these to you. When you go onto that page, there is a username and a password, okay? Your student's username is going to be a lowercase s, okay, with their student number at PBMA. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So you would have gotten a Clever Portal PBMA Maritime sheet. If not, you need to know your student's student number. So for example, the student email is going to be S 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it's 8 digits at PBMA Lantana. Make sure you spell Lantana right, because a lot of times I put an extra A and then it says incorrect password, whatever. Okay, .org. Okay, so this would be what your student's username is and their email address for Google Classroom and for Google to get in as well. Then their password is fairly simple. It's the last 4 of their username or of their student number. So it would be 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, they're capital letters, first name, last name. So it would be, mine is K Martin. Okay, so it'd be KM. And then my date of birth, which I'm not telling you. So say I was born in 12. So then this would be the password. Okay, so you would enter that in. So now, for the sake of showing you what they see when they go in, I'm going to use a password of my students, and we're going to let you in. Now, it's going to, you hit this blue sign-in button right here, okay? Blue sign-in button right there, all right? Click. Now, use another account. If you have Gmail on your computer, you're going to have to show that you're using another account. So now I'm going to type in the username. And what we are going to do is now I'm going to start with his password. The last 4, his last name, first name initial, last name initial capitalized, and his birth year. And hit next. Ta-da! Now I'm in for this student in his G Suite, okay? So now, if I come up here to these 9 dots right here, and I click on that, here is Google Classroom. Let me do that again. 9 dots, Google Classroom. Click on Google Classroom. Ta-da! Now this is a student in my class, so I actually have a lot of classes in here. And you'll see that, excuse me, I'm losing my voice, that there's a lot of classrooms. They have to accept. So they have to join all these classrooms. See how it still says join? This student hasn't been online yet. So join, join, join. He did join this one and he did join this one. Okay? So he has to come in and they have to hit join to join the classrooms. All right? Super important. If they don't join them, they're not going to get their interventions. Okay? And they're not going to get the classwork. But I can show you, because he's joined this one, if you go to my reading, you'll see that in this class stream, I have different things and my students have been saying hello, etc., etc. Okay? And you'll see that this classwork is right here. Okay? So hopefully that quick tutorial helped you a little bit. If you have any further questions, feel free to email the school or your teacher, or you can email me. Just tell me whose class you're in, and I'll help you as much as possible.